Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to hide or unhide tagged photos and videos on Instagram. So let's get right to our video. So if you want to hide or unhide tag photos and videos on Instagram, what you can do is just open up your Instagram application, and after opening your Instagram application, tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right, and now here you can find the tag. And after coming up to your profile icon, now you have to tap on the tag option which is on the right side of your screen. And after coming up to your profile, now you have to tap on the tag option which is on the right side of your screen. So in this section you will find every photo or video that you have been tagged. So now you have to select a photo or a video that you would like to hide, and after selecting that photo or video, now what you have to do is tap on the three dotted icon which is on the top right corner of our screen. And after tapping on that option, now you have to tag on tag options which is the third option, and now you can tap on the third option, hide from my profile. And after tapping on that, if you'll come back to your profile and just reload your page, you can see that the tag post has been successfully removed from your profile or hidden from your profile. And if you want to unhide that, what you can do is just come back and then search for that person's account that you have just untagged that photo from. And after finding that person, just tap on his profile and then tap on the photo that you have just untagged, and then again tap on the three dotted icon which is on the top right corner of our screen. Tag on the third option, tag options, and now here you can find the second option, show in my profile. So you just have to tap on that option, and now if you'll come back to your profile page and just reload your profile page, you can find the tag that you have just unhidden. So this is how to hide or unhide tagged photo and video on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.